Welcome everyone to the preview of the mini apps in Chapter 4. One is car rental, and the name says exactly what it is. And the next app is legal billing, which is part of a law firm billing system. The car rental is a series of forms giving the main functionality you might expect for a car rental. As the course focuses on signals, this is central to this mini app. More on the legal billing system later in this video. Here, Signals will use objects to manage state by form for form data, extras form and vehicle form, including rental flow object, which controls visibility of different steps in the rental process. And of course, we will have getters or setters, including reset functions to provide reactivity and state resets for forms and flow management. So, let's take a quick look at this app in action. Click App, Car Rental. Enter a date, time, location for pickup, drop-off. Click View Vehicles. Filter by type, class. Sort by price. Or just select one. Choose Insurances options. Review Agreement. Click Agree to Terms. Book Rental. Get confirmation. Print rental agreement. And now you have an option to print the rental agreement and start new rental. So, that's the car rental mini app with some interesting features and logic, and in particular Signals. And now let's take a quick look at the second mini app in Chapter 4, Legal Billing System. Again, Signals play a major role. This is a CRUD app, excluding the delete, as I went for a status field instead. It uses API service, plus server.js files, and data manager components, where the API sends a request to the server, picked up by appropriate plus server.js file, which calls the data manager component to update the JSON files. I decided from the outset to have this course focus on Signals, so didn't want to use any database that viewers might be unfamiliar with or not have access to. For consistency more than simplicity, in this case, I am using different JSON files for clients, matters, pre-bills, which means I have more routes and plus server.js files than you would have needed using a proper database system. Regardless, the concepts are very similar. Okay, let's see this app in action. Click App, Legal Billing. Again, this is not a full-blown system, but a mini app. However, it does take a significant step towards that with a CRUD application. We will also look at dynamic route segmentation. Okay, let's see this in action. Here is what the legal billing system looks like so far. I might build on this before this is released. When you click the app Legal Billing, you get a sub-menu showing Client, Matter, Pre-bill. Click Client and you see a list of clients fetched from the server. You can edit a displayed client, add a client, or use the Edit Client button to search for a particular client. Click Matter for a similar layout for recently added matters with same options now for matters. Click Edit Matter. Type ThinkVin matter name search and click the resulting matter. Edit the name and click Update. Matter is saved. Next, look at pre-bills. Click Pre-bill. Again, enter Inc in Matter search and select Matter. The pre-bill display shows a list of time, disbursements, and fees for the matter. Click Add Pre-bill. Choose a date, code, and update and list of charges and totals updated. And that's Legal Billing System mini app. Lots going on under the hood, and we will cover every detail. So that's a quick look at the two mini apps. And we will also take a deep dive into this Sizzle app. See you all there.